look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Hello horse friends, and welcome back to The Imperfect Equestrian. This week I was invited to come and see my friend's new lone pony. She's a piebald cob called Mellow who has blue eyes. Whilst I was there, they were all getting ready to go out for a ride, so they invited me to come along and walk with them. Now, I couldn't go for the whole way, but I did walk along part of the ride with them, and I do hope that you'll come along and enjoy what part of the ride that I did join them for. So let's get going.
I'm an expert at overthinking things that I shouldn't. You come across as a cool guy, someone who's the opposite. And all my friends are leaving, but I wanna stay here. Can we just stay here? Maybe just one more drink. I can't help but think, where have you been? All my life, all the lonely nights, you were always there at the same damn bar. I just never looked your way. And I've seen every ocean, but I've never seen a color blue. Looking into your eyes, blue. When I'm nervous, I talk too much and overshare things. Yeah, I can be a mess, but you somehow like me for me. And all your friends are wasted, you wanna stay here. Oh, we should just stay here. Maybe just for one more drink. I can't